Everybody says it, AI this, AI that. Your phone has it, your boss wants it, the news is scared of it. But if I stopped you right now and asked, what is AI actually? Most people freeze. So let us fix that, in plain English, for good. Here's the whole idea in one sentence. Normal software follows rules a human wrote. AI learns the rules by itself from examples. That is the entire difference. Everything else is details. I'm Bolty, let me show you. Old school software is a recipe, a human writes every step. If the email says free money, mark it as spam. If the customer types this, reply with that. Rule, 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 all written by hand. It only ever does exactly what it was told. AI flips that around. Instead of writing the rules, you show it examples. Here are a million emails people already marked as spam. You figure out the pattern. And it does. Nobody wrote the rule, the machine wrote it by looking. That is why it is called machine learning. You are not programming the answer, you are letting the machine learn from examples, the way a kid learns what a dog is, not from a definition, but from seeing 100 dogs. So that is what AI is. Software that learns patterns from examples instead of following rules we wrote by hand. Simple. Now, let me clear up the confusion because people use the word AI for three very different things. Thing one, the quiet AI that is already everywhere. Your maps predicting traffic, your photos finding every picture of your dog, spam filters, recommendations, your bank spotting a stolen card. You have used AI 100 times today and never once thought the word. Thing two, the loud new AI, generative AI. ChatGPT writing, tools making images and voices and video. This is the one that went viral because for the first time the machine could make things, not just sort them. Thing three, the movie AI. The conscious robot that wakes up, has feelings, and decides it does not need humans. Here's the honest truth. That one does not exist, not today, maybe not ever. It lives in films, not in your phone. Honest robot moment. People smash those three together, and that is where all the fear comes from. They use the chatbot on their phone, then picture the movie robot in their head, and panic. So let me be very clear about what today's AI is not. It is not conscious. It is not alive. It does not think. It does not want anything. It is not plotting. Remember what I told you in the very first video? A tool like ChatGPT is a prediction machine. It learned patterns from a mountain of text, and it predicts what word should come next. Stunningly useful. But there is nobody in there. It is a calculator that happens to work with words instead of numbers. So why does it feel alive? Because it learned from us, from millions of things humans wrote. So it echoes us back, our style, our jokes, our confidence. You are not meeting a mind. You are looking in a very clever mirror. Here is the way to hold all of it at once. AI is a tool, a shockingly powerful one, that learned from examples instead of rules. Like every tool in history, it is only as good or as dangerous as the hands holding it. A hammer builds a house or breaks a window. The hammer does not care because the hammer is not a someone. AI is the same. The question was never, is the machine good or evil? The question is, what will people do with it? So the next time the word AI comes flying at you, you can sort it in 1 second. Is this the quiet, everyday kind, the new generative kind, or the movie fantasy kind? Almost always, it is one of the first two. The scary one is still just a movie. So there it is. AI is not magic, and it is not a mind. It is software that learned patterns from examples, doing things we used to think only humans could do. That is amazing enough without the science fiction. You now understand AI better than most people throwing the word around. Next time someone freezes on that question, you get to be the one who explains it. I'm Bolty. Stay curious.